So the first we do is the windings, which is we use a copper wire. So we use a copper wire instead of the aluminum because the copper wire is prepared for high conductivity. Then pagkatapos ng unang layer ng windings is nilagyan ito ng electrical tape. At pagkatapos nalagyan ng electrical tape ang unang layer, nilagyan ulit ito ng second layer ng copper wire. So dito na part is pinanipis na yung copper wire. Tapos yung ginagamit namin na pang panipis, which is the kutsilyo lang. Kasi wala kaming ibang dalang gamit. Then dito na part is sinimula ng lagyan ng laminated core. So the purpose of putting a laminated core is to minimize the heat generation, improve efficiency of the transformer.